did it.
So everybody stand still, please. Thanks, Dix. Told you to stand still. And there was no one near when I dropped it. Oh, he was in AFK because he left, and then I
Come on, baby.
here because I was trying to talk to him. And then he